Dear students, today again we are continuing with the sums of exercise 7.1 of the lesson assignment problem and sequencing. Question number 5. A company has a team of 4 salesmen and there are 4 districts where the company wants to start its business. After taking into account the capabilities of salesmen and the nature of district, the company estimates that the profit per day in rupees for each salesman in each district is as below. Then we have a table given here in which the profit is given. Find the assignment of salesman to various districts which will yield maximum profit. Here it is a maximization problem. So it can be converted into minimization problem by subtracting every element of the given matrix from the largest element, that here it is 16. So we subtract every element from this largest element and form a new matrix, and then we can apply the Hungarian method to solve it after converting into a minimization problem. Step 1, we write the given matrix, and then as it is a maximization problem, we have to convert this into a minimization problem by subtracting every element from the largest element. Here the largest element is 16. So we get the new matrix after subtracting each and every element from this largest element. So we will get this matrix, the first row, 16 minus 16 0, 10 minus 16 minus 10 6, 16 minus 12 4, and 16 minus 11 5. Similarly we get the remaining elements of each row. So we have this new matrix. Now after getting the new matrix, we follow the steps of minimization problem. So in the minimization problem, we start with the subtraction of smallest element of each row from every element of that respective row. Here this is the matrix obtained in the previous step after subtracting every element from the maximum element. So in this we consider each row. First row has the smallest element 0, so we have the same elements in the new matrix also. Second row has the smallest element 1, so we subtract 1 from remaining element, 1 from every element of that row. So 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 1 2, and 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So we get these elements. Similarly we find the elements of the next two rows and get this matrix. Now step 3, we have to do the same procedure by considering the columns. So smallest element of each column is 0 only here. So there is no change in the matrix after subtracting the smallest element from every element of the columns, each column. So the same matrix only we will get. In step 4, we assign through zeros along rows and then columns. First, we observe each row. If there is only single zero in any row, we will assign that 0. So here first row contains exactly 1 0, so we can make the assignment, that is by enclosing that 0 in a box, and then cross out the remaining 0 in the respective column. Here this 0 is in the first column, so we can cross out the remaining 0. There is 1 0 in the first column other than this assignment, so we cross out that 0. Then go to the second row. Second row there are more than 1 0, so we cannot make the assignment now. So we go to the third column. In third column we have already crossed out 1 0, so remaining 0 we can assign. Only 1 0 remaining, so we can enclose that 0 in the box. And then go to the last row. Last row also exactly 1 0, so we can make the assignment and cross out the 0 in that column. So again we go to the columns. In the first column there is no more 0. Second column also there is no more 0. And third column we have a 0, that is that we can assign, make the assignment, and there is no more 0 in this particular row. and fourth column there is already made the assignment and crossed out this 0 also. Now if you observe this matrix, you can see that each row and each column has exactly one assignment, single assignment. Hence this matrix provides the optimal solution, that is salesman A, that is the assignment only giving the solution, that is salesman A is assigned to district 1. This assignment is corresponding to this district 1 and salesman A, and salesman B is assigned to district 3, and salesman C is assigned to district 2, and D is assigned to district 4. Now we have to calculate the maximum profit corresponding to the assignment. Here the first assignment is corresponding to the profit 16. So that is obtained from the given matrix, profit matrix, that is 16, plus next assignment, that is the second assignment, is corresponding to the value or the profit 15, and the third one is corresponding to 15, and the last one, fourth one, is corresponding to again 15 only. So we will add all these profits, that is rupees 61 is the maximum profit by the obtained assignment. Now next part of this lesson, that is sequencing, is explained in the next video. Thank you.